In this video, you will learn how to create linear, diameter, and radial dimensions and create a dimension break. Go ahead and select Dimension from the Dimensions toolbar or press the D key on your keyboard. The Dimension command is a powerful tool that creates linear, aligned, angular, radius, and diameter dimensions based on the geometry you select in a drawing view. You select points, edges, or existing dimensions, then place the dimension on the sheet, and the most appropriate dimension type is created automatically. Select the first and the second edge of the top view and place the dimension to the right of the view. A linear dimension is created. Notice that the Dimension tool is still active, so you can continue placing dimensions. Select the edge of the bottom right circle and place the dimension to the right of the view. A diameter dimension is created. Select the edge of the bottom left corner and place the dimension to the left of the view. A radial dimension is created. With the Dimension tool still active, select the center point of the bottom left circle, select the center point of the bottom right circle, and place the dimension below the view. A linear dimension is created. And now select the first edge on the left and the second edge on the right and place the dimension below the linear dimension below the view. Another linear dimension is created. As you can see here, the leader lines are intersecting the dimension lines, so let's add some dimension breaks. Select Dimension Break from the Dimensions toolbar. The Dimension Break dialog displays. Select the last linear dimension you created. Make sure the operation is set to Add Break and click OK. Now we can see the lines are no longer intersecting. Now you know how to add dimensions and dimension breaks. Thanks for watching.